Walk through the valley, shadows all around. Lost and alone, couldn't find solid ground. Heard a gentle whisper, carried on the breeze. Said, don't you worry, child, I'll set your spirit free. Oh, the Lord is my shepherd, I'll never be in need. He leads me to green pastures, waters me with grace indeed. He restores my soul, lifts my heavy load. The Lord is my shepherd, walking on the road. Fought against the darkness, battled with despair, but the Lord's love held me, whispered in my ear. He said, though you stumble, though you fall and weep, my love will lift you up, my grace will never sleep. Oh, the Lord is my shepherd, I'll never be in need. He leads me to green pastures, waters me with grace indeed. He restores my soul, lifts my heavy load. The Lord is my shepherd, walking on the road. He guides me with His wisdom through every trial and test. His love is my compass, leading me to His rest. He opens up the doors to a brighter, better day. His light shines in my darkness, guiding me on my way. Oh, the Lord is my shepherd, I'll never be in need. He leads me to green pastures, waters me with grace indeed. He restores my soul, lifts my heavy load. The Lord is my shepherd, walking on the road. He walks with me, He talks with me, He holds me in His hands. The Lord is my shepherd, He's the King of this land. His love is mine forever, His grace will never cease. He's the light that shines within me, bringing me peace. He guides me with His wisdom through every trial and test. His love is my compass, leading me to His rest. He opens up the doors to a brighter, better day. His light shines in my darkness, guiding me on my way. He walks with me, He talks with me, He holds me in His hand. The Lord is my compass, He's the King of this land. His love opens up the doors to a brighter, better day. He's the light shines in my darkness, guiding me on my way.